When you are piloting a drone as revolutionary as the DJI Avata 360, the rush of capturing 8K spherical footage often comes with a side of adrenaline-fueled risk. Here, we have best gimbal bumper guards for DJI Avata 360.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have generic gimbal bumper guard. For the pilot who values straightforward utility and lightweight performance, the generic gimbal bumper guard is an essential first line of defense. This camera gimbal bumper is specially designed for the Avata 360 drone fly more combo. It remains invisible in your footage while protecting the camera without interfering with its performance. In the event of an impact, it helps absorb and reduce shock, minimizing or preventing damage to the gimbal and lens. It provides reliable protection without affecting the camera, sensors, or aerodynamics. Designed to extend 2 mm beyond the front edge of the camera, it takes the initial impact, effectively shielding the lens from collisions. Lightweight in design, it does not affect flight performance or battery life. On number 2, we have Zhixteu gimbal bumper guard. When the environment gets tougher and the maneuvers get more daring, the Zhixteu gimbal bumper guard steps up as a premium heavy-duty alternative. Zhixteu has earned a reputation for precision engineering, and their guard for the Avata 360 is no exception. The front edge extends 2 mm beyond the camera, allowing it to absorb impacts first and effectively protect against collisions. The side structure follows the contours of the camera body, helping distribute impact force evenly for better protection. It is fully compatible with the original gimbal protective cover and does not interfere with its use. Lightweight in design, it has no effect on flight performance or battery life. If you are a professional creator frequently operating in high-risk zones, the Zhixteu's combination of rugged durability and thoughtful, scratch-proof finishing makes it the gold standard for gimbal preservation. So these are some of the best bumper guards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.